Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we can make the snowman.
Oh man. The snow is hard already. Hello everyone, we're here at the school yard again. We're walking on the snow. Look at this guy. The sun is sitting in the side. Okay, keep running. No, you can't. There's a school vineyard full of snow. Hey, uli ka. Ready, sit, go. Come on, Mike, pick. Mike. Okay, wait. Martin, you. This is a mountain of snow. Come on, Mike, go slide down. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Over here with Mike. Martin. Oh no. Look at your face. See, your nose is watering. There's snowman there. If you're gonna go to the snowman there, it takes so long to.
Where?
Hurry up, let's go. This is a place after the snowstorm and the snow is still so high. Not melting yet because it's too cold.
Look, Harry.
Temperature is -12. My hands and my foot is frozen, so let's go
I'm
home.
doing.
Yeah, you're good.
Breaking the snow.
Snowman is over there, you can see.
Ay,
Martin, ang mga bata dito, mahilig sa snow. They're not cold when they're playing the snow. Look at this guy. Look at the other one there. You wanna sleep on the snow? Martin, dyan ka na matutulog, Martin? Oh no, you're stuck in there? Are you stuck?
what?
Are you stuck there?
Yeah.
You need help?
Mike, stop. Sorry, not you. Stop. Martin, let's keep it.
Oh.
Bye-bye.